In other news this morning, scientists have created a new straw that claims to be an instant cure for hiccups. The Hick-Away straw gets rid of hiccups with an adjustable pressure valve, and you use it to drink water, and apparently there go your hiccups. Early studies show the Hick-Away got rid of hiccups in 92% of people. Stop.
Wow, that would be cool.
You know, there's all these like tips and tricks to getting rid of hiccups, and I don't think any of them ever work. So this is great.
We were demonstrating some this past weekend with my kids, and they were like, yeah, just drink upside down, it works.
Yeah, sure. Hold your breath and drink water. Yeah. It's like, this is hilarious.
My dad always said, hold your breath and think of 3 bald men. And when you're a kid, you can't think of any bald men, and so you don't know their names, and you're like, I don't know. So you hold your breath forever, and then they go away.
Or you could just buy this.
Or you can just buy this.
All right, Netflix now has its own store. The streaming service is selling clothing and collectibles based on some of their most popular shows. It says Netflix Shop will feature exclusive merchandise for shows like Stranger Things and The Witcher. Not Mike Witcher, The Witcher. And more limited edition items in the coming months. That's funny. The Witcher.
I've still not seen it.
You need to buy a shirt.
I've not seen that.
It says The Witcher.
I'll have a friend make one for me that actually has, you know, my own font and stuff like that.
But you are The Witcher.
Well, yeah. I'm the witch doctor, actually. Thank you very much.
Something.
That's what mine needs to say, is the witch doctor.
Still to come on the show, U.S.